In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add clean manual captions using Essential Graphics. We're going to build captions by hand so you get precise timing, consistent style, and a professional look throughout your edit. Start by adding text manually. In your timeline, navigate to Graphics, then choose New Layer and select Text. This creates a text layer you can place exactly where you want it. Click into the program monitor and type your first caption. Instead of relying on auto-generate, enter your captions line by line. Manual entry gives you control over phrasing and line breaks, which is essential for readability. Keep each line concise and natural, and time each caption to when the words are spoken so viewers can follow along without feeling rushed. Next, open the Essential Graphics panel to style your text. Choose a minimal, widely available font such as Helvetica or Arial. Select a bold or semi-bold weight so the letters stay legible on busy footage without needing oversized text. Set the color to clean white to maximize contrast, then add a subtle shadow or a soft background box to ensure readability against light or complex backgrounds. Aim for a shadow that defines the edges without looking harsh, or a box that's low profile and doesn't distract from the image behind it. Position your captions at the bottom center of the frame. Use the alignment tools to center the text both horizontally and vertically within your chosen caption area, and keep it slightly above the very bottom so it doesn't sit on the edge of the screen. Make sure the text stays within safe margins so it's visible across different displays. If any important visual elements or speaker names appear at the bottom, nudge the caption up a bit to avoid overlap. To add polish, animate with transform keyframes. In the effect controls, set keyframes on position, scale, or opacity to create simple, tasteful movement. For a fade, keyframe opacity from 0 to 100% at the start and reverse it at the end. For a slide, offset the position slightly off screen at the beginning and ease it into place. For a pop, scale from a touch smaller to full size with a gentle ease. Keep the motion subtle and consistent across all captions so the effect supports the